Good day to you, dear students. This module deals with Tarskis' semantic theory of truth. In semantic theories of truth, truth is dependent on the form of certain statements. Tarski developed the first rigorous semantic theory of truth. The need was that in a natural language such as English, statements cannot be relied on to be unambiguous. For example, liar paradox. This statement is false, is true if and only if it is false, which is absurd. Such paradoxes are unacceptable to a logician. This led Tarski to conclude that the definition and discussion of truth requires the use of a special language. He therefore introduced the concept of a suitably devised meta-language to be used in the discussion of any statement in an object language. Tarski introduced the convention, that is, to enclose statements in the object language within quotation marks and leave the statements in the meta-language without quotes. His constructions of the form P is true if and only if Q. Who can construct an appropriate statement in the meta-language? An expert in logic can construct. For a non-expert, P without the quote marks is merely the same as Q, and at first sight seem mere tautologies. Tarski gave the famous example, snow is white is true if and only if snow is white. Tarski's idea, short of technicalities, is very simple. Basic idea can be accurately conveyed by analyzing the form of this example. The truth bearers in the object language are the words snow and white. Tarski asks, what makes these two words truth bearers? The answer is, snow refers to that substance identifiable as snow, and white is a condition of satisfaction for something, if and only if it is demonstrably white. It means we must be able to specify a reference and a condition of satisfaction. Example for a reference: snow referring to snow, or the dog to the dog, etc. Condition of satisfaction: snow being white, or the dog barking, etc. The difficult parts of Tarski's theory is that sentences with structures X is Y is easier, but how to the sentences with more complicated structures? Why is it all this important? Because it shows how a simple common sense conception of truth can be underpinned by a solid logical foundation. Tarski's semantic theory of truth has successfully survived nearly a century of rigorous examination. Dear students, now you will be able to answer the question, is truth dependent on the form of certain statements? Defend your stance. Thank you.